Alright YouTube, welcome back. Process for Profits. I am Purry. Service business simplified. All service business, all success. And in this video, I want to talk about why I prefer construction cleaning over any other types of cleaning. Vacation rental, office, restaurant, any other type of cleaning you could think of. Here's why I prefer it and why others probably dislike it. We'll get into that now. Alright, first reason. Any other type of cleaning is going to take up a lot more time than post-construction cleaning. So an office clean, you might have to be there 5 days a week, 7 days a week, 1 day a week. The pay varies, but the level of responsibility in my few occasions of cleaning office, it's not worth it to me. The complaints is not worth it to me. Vacation rental cleaning. You have linens, you have amenities and things you have to supply, paper towels, tissue, soap, all of that, and you have to wash the linens and you have to maintain those linens when they're in your custody. Again, too much responsibility, not enough money. I rephrase, the money's great in vacation rentals, but for me, like people check in Fridays, Saturdays. If you get a call on somebody on a 7-day weekend and they call on a Wednesday complaining, you're responsible for that. You're screwed. You got to go back out there. I didn't like that at all. So that's why we moved to construction cleaning. Now construction cleaning, $50,000 contract. I'm in and out in 3 days, and I'm paid within 7. So for me, it kind of varies. My jobs are 1-day, 2-day jobs, and I'm getting $1,000. $600 here, $500 here, $400 here, $6,000 here, $10,000 there. Oh great, the well came in, $62,000 here. So that's kind of how I prefer to get my money. Now on top of that, I mainly started this business because it's great for those coming out of the prison system. You know, they can work on a lot of my job sites. There's not very much that they can steal, drywall, potentially if they wanted to. And they're in it 9 times out of 10 there is a situation where they're alone cleaning. So they can recidivize and come back and feel normal. And then move on and do their own thing. So it's a great opportunity to be able to hire anybody. You don't have to get bonded. You don't have to get all of that stuff that you have to get when you're doing banks and offices around paperwork and people's PII, personal identifiable information, for those that don't know. So post-construction cleaning is it's toilets, it's fixtures, it's dust, you clean, you're in, you're out, you get your money rather quickly within 7 to 14 days if it's a government job. I discussed that in a previous video. If you're interested in that, click here and the video will come up for you. But you're still going to get paid within 60 days and you're only going to be on said job site at any given time, no more than a week. So for me, the turnaround, the cost, the time, the difference, for me, it makes great sense for me. I can hire people that have jobs that's trying to make extra money because they can go clean overnight. They can clean on a weekend. All their weekends aren't taken, and I can contract with other people during the week. So it's an excellent opportunity to increase some cash flow in your life. If you don't have cash flow in your life, it's an excellent opportunity to earn an extra $2,500, $5,000 a month, depending on how many weekends you're willing to work if you're just going to do it for yourself. If you're able to answer your phone and emails and juggle time, then you can make upwards of $10,000 extra a month, never cleaning, never stepping foot on a job site with the systems and the processes that we put inside of the blueprint. So 2020 is coming. Decide to change your life. Decide to start a service business. And this is just my reasoning for why I prefer construction cleaning over office cleaning, hospital cleaning, and all of that. Guys, if this video brought you any knowledge, helped you at all, figuring out what type of business you want to get into, hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe. Drop a comment in the comment section if you have any comments or questions on construction cleaning, even vacation rental cleaning. I did a lot of that, but stopped that very early on in the business process. Like within 6 months, it was over with. Went from $250 a clean to $5,000 to $50,000 plus. And haven't looked back since. So again, guys, I'm Purry. This is Process for Profits. Look out for the blueprint. Go to the website, get it if you're interested. And if not, man, good luck out here because the world's changing. It ain't slowing down for you at all. Peace.